Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO. Thanks for joining. Today I'm at 1069 Capp Street. This is apartment number 3. This is a studio apartment that I'm very excited to be sharing with you. So I'm going to turn the camera for me and flip it around so you can enjoy the properties. Okay, so here we go. Now this is on the 2nd floor. There is parking available, so ask the agent about that. So let's get into this living space. One of the things that's really spectacular about this is it's been renovated, so it has a real modern feel. Lots of windows, tall ceilings, recessed lighting. There's a skylight right there. You have these wide plank vinyl floors. It just feels super modern and fresh. The owners have done an amazing job. You have individual controlled heating units here to, regulate temperature. Beautiful stove, microwave. Dishwasher, deep sink, quartz countertops, again, very well done. And then you have Bosch washer and dryer. Bosch, that was a Bosch dishwasher as well. So just really, really nicely done. Fisher Paykel stainless refrigerator. So wonderful kitchen. You have a skylight right up there. So in the middle of the day, this is almost toward the end of the day. This is around 5 o'clock. So the sun's going down a bit, but you can see how it's really bright still. And you can see the mountains right up there. So that's the greenery, and the neighbors have some great palm trees and fruit trees to enjoy while you're looking out the window. Now I called it a junior one bedroom. Why did I call it a junior one bedroom? Because it's really super easy to put a partition right here. So if you have a bookshelf or something, you can make a partial partition. That way you can have your bedroom area here where there's a big closet, and then your living room separated. So it gives you a lot of functionality, this shape. Now the owners have left it open because, again, they want people to have, really a flexible living space depending on what they want. Custom closets, so there is a light in there, so in the middle of the night you're not fumbling to find your socks. Turning around here, we have a nice big soak tub, tile backsplash, and that's quartz countertop here, and then more storage. So you have really deep cabinets right there. It's amazing. The tenant just moved out this morning, so and they did an amazing job of keeping this clean, and the owner's already been in to clean it. You have blinds on these windows. So again, there's parking available. So ask the agent about that. This is in the Mission, which is, and it's so close to so many yummy restaurants, shops, and then of course the freeway. So give us a call. Again, this is ReLISTO. I'm gonna flip around here. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up or share. A lot of times our videos will come out before the property is actually on the market. We also have down there the links for this listing. So if you're interested in seeing the property, talking to an agent, or just getting more information, such as the key terms, how much security deposit is for the property, all those things will be listed on the website. So use that link. That's going to be super important for you. Okay. If you have any questions, Joseph's going to be the agent that's getting this rented. And again, this is September 2022. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.